So I think that the reason that the 5 practices is so effective is because it helps teachers with some of the challenges that they face every day in every math classroom. So it's kind of my informal hypothesis that there are 4 specific math teaching challenges that are much more manageable when the 5 practices are being used. So these are the 4 challenges that I'm thinking about. So we know there's a big focus on problem solving in mathematics education. Mathematicians describe problem solving as the heart of mathematics. And there's lots of research demonstrating that having students engage in problem solving helps to deepen their understanding of math concepts while building their math skills, and that it can also increase their confidence as mathematical thinkers. So it's not surprising that many curriculum documents, not just the ones in Ontario, but all over the world, place quite a strong emphasis on problem solving. The Ontario curriculum describes problem solving in the way you see on this slide as the mainstay of mathematical instruction. And the quote you see there comes from the 9 and 10 curriculum document, but that same statement is included in all the Ontario math documents. And if we look more closely at that 9 and 10 curriculum, the one that you have on your table there, it's only a 65-page document, and you might be surprised to learn that the phrase problem solving actually occurs 44 times in the document. And if you look just at the grade 9 applied course, 4 of the 9 overall expectations require problem solving, and at least 16 of the specific expectations specifically require students to solve problems or pose problems or work with a realistic situation. And of course, problem solving is one of the 7 math processes in our curriculum as well. So the curriculum, no surprise to anyone in this room, suggests that there should be a lot of problem solving happening in our classrooms. But the question many teachers I've worked with ask is how? How do I bring more problem solving into my classroom? And maybe even more importantly, how do I do problem solving in a way that ensures that I'm covering the curriculum? And so what I'm finding is that many of the teachers that I've worked with the 5 practices are having this experience where using this helps them to answer those how questions and increase their focus on problem solving. And I think a lot of teachers are afraid that they won't cover the curriculum if they use up that time on open-ended problems. And the teachers I worked with also had these concerns, but again they found that the 5 practices provided a structure that helped them with that. So many of these teachers have begun using problem solving throughout their units. As you see in this quotation, rather than only introducing problems at the end of the unit, they're actually using the problems to teach the concepts right from the very beginning, something that they hadn't done before.